Draw and correct. Hello friends! Today I'm going to draw mittens and a cooking pot. Now let's start. First I draw a rectangle and at the bottom curves. Draw a thin rectangle. Draw a half oval. Then draw two little half circles. Draw two handles for the pot. Draw two big circles for the eyes. Now I color the eyes black. Now I'm going to color the lid rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, dark blue, purple, sky blue, pink. Let's see what the cooking pot is doing today. Look at his eyes and mouth. He's jumping up and down cutely. Now I'm going to draw the mittens. First I'm going to draw a curve just like a hook. Then I'm going to draw a little hook. Connect a line. Draw a thin curve. Draw a hook for the mitten. Draw two lines. Draw some curves for the details. Draw normal circles and half circles. Draw two circles for the eyes. Now I color the eyes black. Draw two big circles around the eyes. Color time! Red! the two mittens are waving at us. What's funny? He is doing a thumb up. Like and subscribe too. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.